Mastering the Passive Voice by the Agent Identifier. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson where we will help you to perfect your English grammar skills. Today, we are going to delve into passive voice and specifically how we can identify the agent with by. Don't worry, we'll walk you through every step, and by the end of this video, you will be able to form and use passive sentences with by confidently. So, let's jump right into it. Passive voice is when the object of an active sentence becomes the subject of a passive sentence. In other words, the person or thing that the action is done to becomes the focus of the sentence. For instance, let's take an active sentence. John reads the book. In passive voice, it would be, the book is read by John. Here, the book, object, has become the subject, and John, subject, has become the agent, introduced by. The by phrase is an optional component in passive voice, but it's essential when we want to mention the doer or the agent of the action. It is what follows the verb and completes the idea of the sentence. For example, the cake was eaten by Sarah. Here, by Sarah, is the by phrase that tells us who performed the action. To form passive sentences with by, first, identify the subject, verb, and object in an active sentence. Then, make the object the new subject, use the appropriate form of the verb, to be, followed by the past participle of the main verb, and introduce the original subject, now the agent, with by. For example, Mike washes the car, becomes, the car is washed by Mike. Let's take a look at some examples. Active, she opens the window. Passive, the window is opened by her. Active, we play football every Sunday. Passive, football is played by us every Sunday. Now, it's your turn. Try to convert these active sentences into passive. 1. They will clean the house tomorrow. 2. He didn't finish the project. Remember to use by to identify the agent. And that's a wrap on today's lesson on using by in passive sentences. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these transformations. Don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. They're a vital part of learning. Keep trying, and you'll master the passive voice in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.